Hi, welcome to tikzkitchen. Today we're going to make a quick and easy dessert to beat the summer heat. So presenting fig and roasted almond ice cream. Let's get started. To make this dish, we're going to need whipping cream, condensed milk, vanilla extract, skinless almonds, dry figs, sugar, unsalted butter, and chocolate. For initial prep, dry roast 1/4 cup almonds for 3 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Add a pinch of salt, give it a mix and take it off heat. Let the almonds cool down before finely chopping them. Bring half cup of water to a simmer and then add half cup of dry figs. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on medium-low heat. Let the figs cool down before grinding them into a coarse paste. To reduce whipping time, make sure you chill the tools for at least 15 minutes before starting. Whisk 1 cup of whipping cream till soft peaks are formed. Now add 200 ml of condensed milk and whisk on low speed. Add half teaspoon vanilla extract and whisk the same way. Now add chopped almond and figs and fold everything together. Freeze this for 6 to 8 hours, preferably overnight. To make caramel topping, cook 1 cup of sugar on medium heat till it dissolves completely. Make sure you control the heat as caramel burns very quickly. While it's warm, use a baking sheet to make freehand shapes. Melt 1 tablespoon unsalted butter in a double boiler or a makeshift tool like mine. Add 150 grams of chocolate and mix till there are no lumps. Add some ice cubes in a bowl and pour this melted chocolate on top. We will use this as our base for plating. Scoop out ice cream and top it with chocolate and almond shavings. Our dish is ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more such recipes.